Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the incredible stories that shape our planet. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a tale of adventure, dedication, and the unwavering passion for conservation. Today, we're going on a journey to the most remote corners of the globe in search of some of the rarest and most endangered creatures on Earth. We'll be joining three experts, Declan Burley, Vianette Janguet, and expedition leader Aldo Kane, as they embark on a mission to find, record, and protect 6 of the most critically endangered species on the planet. From the lush jungles of Malaysia to the vast expanse of Mongolia's Gobi Desert, this team of conservationists will stop at nothing to capture stunning footage of these elusive animals and their habitats. Using cutting-edge technology, such as drones, thermal cameras, and night vision, they'll venture into the unknown, often facing treacherous terrain and harsh conditions. As we follow their journey, we'll witness heart-wrenching moments, like the discovery of a Malayan tiger with its foot severed by a poacher's trap. We'll also experience the thrill of spotting a Caucasian leopard in the Armenian wilderness or a Javan rhinoceros in the Indonesian jungle. These encounters will not only leave us in awe, but also highlight the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect these incredible creatures. Throughout their journey, Declan, Vianette, and Aldo will share with us the emotional toll of their work, the physical endurance required to track these animals, and the sheer patience needed to wait for that perfect shot. We'll gain a deeper understanding of the challenges faced by conservationists and the importance of their work in preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystem. This story is not just about the animals, it's also about the people who dedicate their lives to protecting them. It's a testament to the power of human compassion, ingenuity, and determination. As we join this team on their quest, we'll be inspired by their passion and reminded of the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're excited to dive into our middle segment today. As we continue on our journey through the fascinating world of science and nature, we find ourselves exploring a rather intriguing topic. Imagine a process that helps keep our cells healthy by removing damaged mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. This process is called mitophagy, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining cellular balance. Now, let's talk about a specific protein called PNPLA7, which has been found to mediate the recruitment of parkin, a well-known protein involved in mitophagy, to mitochondria in adipose tissue. But what does this mean exactly? Essentially, when PNPLA7 interacts with parkin, it helps guide parkin to the damaged mitochondria in fat cells, allowing for their efficient removal through mitophagy. This process is not just a simple cleanup mechanism, it has significant implications for our understanding of cellular health and disease. For instance, dysregulation of mitophagy has been linked to various conditions, including neurodegenerative diseases and metabolic disorders. So, the role of PNPLA7 in facilitating this process could offer new insights into potential therapeutic strategies. But here's an interesting twist. Research suggests that PNPLA7 might also inhibit the browning of adipose tissue. For those who might not know, browning refers to the process by which white fat cells, which store energy, can be converted into brown fat cells, which burn energy and generate heat. This browning process is of great interest because it could potentially be harnessed to combat obesity and improve metabolic health. The interplay between PNPLA7, mitophagy, and the browning of adipose tissue opens up a complex and fascinating area of study. It highlights how intricate the mechanisms controlling our cellular and bodily functions are, and how much there is still to discover. As we take a moment to appreciate the intricacies of cellular biology and its potential impacts on human health, remember that nature, in all its forms, from the smallest molecular interactions to the grandest landscapes, is full of stories waiting to be uncovered. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I want to share with you a poignant story that highlights the complexities of wildlife conservation and the tough decisions that come with it. In Sri Lanka, a majestic elephant named Bhatia recently captured the hearts of many with his struggles against illness and injury. The efforts to save him were extensive, involving numerous veterinarians, support staff, and significant resources. However, despite these efforts, Bhathia's condition deteriorated, leading to a heartbreaking outcome. Bhathia's story isn't just about the life of one elephant. It's also about the broader issues within wildlife conservation, particularly concerning euthanasia in animal care. The decision to end an animal's life is never easy and is fraught with ethical, cultural, and emotional considerations. In Bhathia's case, veterinarians faced not only the challenge of his deteriorating health, but also public scrutiny and the weight of cultural sensitivities. Veterinarian Yudhitha Kosalawate emphasized the need for a compassionate approach to such decisions, suggesting that euthanasia can be a humane option when an animal is facing irreversible pain and suffering. However, in Sri Lanka, this issue is complicated by cultural and religious beliefs, making it a subject that requires careful consideration and open dialogue. Elephant biologist Prithviraj Fernando noted that the decision to euthanize should be based on professional assessment, considering both the possibility of recovery and the potential for suffering. It's a delicate balance between providing care and avoiding prolonging an animal's distress. Bhathia's story also sheds light on the challenges faced by wildlife veterinarians, who work under difficult conditions with limited resources. The criticism they received during Bhathia's treatment underscores the need for understanding and support for these professionals, who are dedicated to saving lives despite the odds against them. As we reflect on Bhathia's journey, it reminds us of the interconnectedness of all living beings and the responsibility that comes with sharing our planet. It encourages us to think deeply about our actions and their impact on wildlife and the environment. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world.